Na nababa kabalin, welcome to Korean Pampanga. Para sa video na to, bubusugin namin kayo sa The Grill 88 at bibigyan namin kayo ng chance para manalo ng iPhone 14.
If you wanna know more about this, samahan nyo kami. So tara, let's go!
Alright, so this is it. This is Grill 88. Guys, ito yung table natin for today. And let's talk about the menu. Actually, si Grill 88 po is not an unlimited samgyupsal. What do they serve here? Yung mga premium meat. Meron silang mga a la carte, meron din silang mga set menu. Our dish for today, they call it pork set A. This is good for 2 to 3 people. So meron tayong aged samgyup. So meron tayong herb samgyup. Meron din tayong shoulder butt. So meron din siyang additional kimchi jjigae soup. At saka yung famous na egg soup din, or yeah. For only 998 pesos, this is good for 2 to 3 people. This is premium meat. Let's enjoy it. And then meron tayong automatic na mga side dishes. So yung mga side dishes dito can be refilled. Meron tayong mixed soup, kimchi, peanuts, japchae, mashed potato. So trying it for the first time for the Grill 88. Oh, that's hot. Yep. Ito yung mga mixed grill. So in here, meron tayong seafood, sausage, vegetable, fruit, and yung mga mushrooms. So yun nga guys, no, dun sa introduction natin kanina, we mentioned you might be the winner of iPhone 14.
Yes. So, ang pinaka-mechanic lang naman nila is go here, take a picture.
During lunchtime. That's important.
Yes. And ang pinaka-maraming shares, yun ang mananalo ng iPhone 14.
Now, when you post it, make sure na itag nyo po ang hashtag TheGrill88 and itag nyo rin po itong page na The Grill 88 which is located dito po sa Angeles City.
Yes.
So, again, the more shares your post, ikaw ang possible na manalo.
Yes.
Paramihan to guys, paramihan to. Hindi to iraraffle. So, bibilangin guys kung ilan ang shares mo and you might be the winner.
So, the announcement date will be on April 25, 2023.
Yes. Good luck on your post and of course, may the best man win. Alright, so that was it guys. Another Korean experience dito po sa may Angeles City guys. If you're looking for that premium meat.
Yes.
And if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you wanna win iPhone 14 on April 25th, 2023, and make sure to check out the mechanics on how to join dun po sa promo nila.
So that's it. Thank you for watching Korean Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.